Did you know that nearly 50% of all Google searches have local intent? That means every day, millions of people are searching for businesses just like yours. But if you're not showing up in Google's local map pack or Google or local 3 pack, most of them will never find you. So the Google Local 3 pack is the prime real estate for local businesses. Now, when someone searches for a service, Google shows a map with 3 top businesses before anything else. And if you're not in that top section, you're invisible to most potential customers. Now, if you're wondering how to rank higher in Google Maps listing, on how to rank on Google Map Pack, the key is optimizing your business profile, getting positive reviews, and using the right SEO strategies. If you're serious about how to rank first on Google Map and how to rank your business on Google Map, focusing on NAP consistency, that is your name, address, phone number consistency, local keywords, and high quality backlinks can basically make all of the difference. Now think about it this way. The last time you searched for a business on Google, you probably clicked on the top 3 results. That's exactly where you need to be. All right, that's where your business needs to be in 2025. Ranking for the local 3 pack means more visibility. It means that your business appears before your competitors. 2, higher click-through rates, all right, because more people click on top ranking businesses. 3, more calls and visits. A spot in the 3 pack means more direct customer action. But here's the good news. Ranking in the local 3 pack is not random. Google looks at specific factors to decide who makes the cut. And if you understand how to rank higher in Google Maps listing, you can optimize the right way and claim your spot at the top. Now, my team and I have worked and still work with hundreds of Google business profiles every single month, ensuring that they're optimized for local rankings. Our growing team is dedicated to delivering results, so you don't have to stress over the details. Over the years, we've successfully ranked businesses on Google Maps and local map pack, helping them secure a top spot and drive real customer traffic. Whether you run a small local shop or a multi-location business, having an optimized profile can be a game changer. This could be the next step for your business, all right? Having a team that takes care of all of the heavy lifting for you while you focus on running your business. If this sounds like something that will benefit you, fill out the form in the description and let's see if your business is the right fit for us, because we do not take on every type of business. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to rank higher in Google Maps and secure your place in the local 3-pack. So let's get started. The key strategies to get that I need you to know in order to get into the local 3-pack is: number 1, fully optimize your GMB profile. I mean, your Google My Business profile is the most important ranking factor for appearing in the local map pack, right? If your GMB is not properly optimized, your chances of ranking are very, very slim. I will not be going in depth on how to optimize your GMB profile, but if you want a detailed local SEO ranking guide that has done so much good for other businesses, and I believe that it will do so much good for you as well, you can please check out Retail Learning Hub. This is very detailed. You will find very detailed local SEO courses on there on how to create a GMB, the do's, the don'ts of GMB, creation, step-by-step on verification, and most importantly, how to rank it on Google Map Pack. It's very detailed with actionable points, and it cuts through the noise of the overwhelming information online. So do well to check the link in the description to learn more about the local SEO full course, right? Let's get started. Now on my screen, you can see my Google Business Profile Manager dashboard. All right, the first thing you need to do is ensure that every field is filled out correctly, right? Your business name should be accurate, no keyword stuffing, just enough, all right? Your address should match exactly what's on your website and directories. Then also choose the right category. Then upload high quality images, because businesses with photos get 42% more clicks than those that do not have. If you haven't uploaded images yet, do it right now. Google trusts businesses that actually look real, okay? Now, the next thing you need to do for ranking is to build high quality local citations. Citations are mentions of your business name, address, and phone number across the web. They help Google confirm that your business is legit, all right, is legitimate and located where you say that it is, right? So I need you to look at my screen again as I show you how to find and list your business in the best directories. So you want to go to Google and search for top directories in, say, Atlanta, if that's your city. List your business in trusted directories like Yelp, Bing Places, Apple Maps, Facebook Business, and industry-specific directories like the ones you can see on my screen. Now, ensure that your NAP is consistent across all directories, because even a small typo can hurt your rankings, right? Businesses listed in at least 10 major directories see higher trust from Google and better rankings. Now, the third thing to do is to earn and manage customer reviews. Reviews are one of the biggest trust signals for Google. Businesses with more positive reviews rank higher than those without them. Now, you can see again on my screen, I'm going to show you how to generate more reviews. So first of all, get your Google review link. You see, so go to your GMB dashboard like I'm doing, click on get more reviews, and then copy your review link. Share this link via email, WhatsApp, or SMS after every successful customer interaction. Another way again to get review is to ask at the right time. Okay, you want to request review immediately after services rendered, and then make it very easy. Just send a direct link. The best way to manage your reviews is to respond to every review you get. And for positive reviews, ensure that you thank the customer and reinforce your brand. For negative reviews, stay professional, acknowledge concerns, and provide a solution. Now, there is a pro tip, right? Businesses that actively respond to reviews get 45% more engagement. Now, when it comes to ranking on local park, one of the most important factors is using location-specific keywords in your GMB profile, because Google needs clear signals that your business actually serves a specific location. If your business description is vague, you will not rank for local searches. All right. So let's quickly optimize your GMB description. I want you to go back again to the screen, of course, as you can see, and as I update a GMB profile. So you want to go to the GMB dashboard and click on Edit Business Description. Now here, add location-specific keywords naturally. Instead of best plumber, say best plumber in Dallas, Texas. Instead of affordable bakery, say affordable bakery in New York City. Don't overstuff keywords, all right? Because Google penalizes businesses that try to manipulate ranking. So keep it very natural. Now, the fifth thing to do is to post regularly on Google My Business. Google rewards active businesses that engage with customers. Google Posts allow you to share updates, offers, and news directly on your profile. Now, let me quickly show you how to create a Google Post in real time, okay? Go to your GMB dashboard, right? Click on Create Post and choose the type, meaning if you have an offer post to make, an update post, or an event post, okay? Then you want to write an engaging one. Make it very engaging, an engaging post, including location keywords. For example, spring sale in Houston or in Austin, right? 20% off all services. Then upload a high quality image and ensure that you are geotagging that image as well, which is very important because you're actually tagging that image to a specific location. All right. Then add a call to action like book now, call us, or get directions. Now, businesses that post at least once a week see a 17% increase in engagement. Now, all right, now that you understand the strategies, let's take a look at some real life examples of businesses that rank in the local 3 park. Now, again, I have look at on your screen, you can see that I'm going to be searching on Google for best plumber in Miami. And also I'm also going to be using affordable car repair in Los Angeles. So you can use anyone you like, and use anything you like. You can use top digital marketing agency in Houston as well, if that's what you like, whatever it is. All right. So now what do you notice? You see that the top ranking businesses have fully optimized GMB profiles. Number 2, they have tons of customer reviews. Number 3, their business categories and descriptions are clear. Number 4, they post regularly and keep their information updated. Now, I'll show you how to check your own rankings, right? So go to Google and search for your main keyword and search with your main keyword, right? If you're not in the 3-pack, it's time to apply these strategies that I have just spoken about. Ranking in the Google local 3-pack is not luck, it's strategy. All right. Now, what do you need to do right now? I'm going to Google and type in your main keyword and check if your business appears in the 3-pack. If not, update your GMB profile to ensure all details are accurate. Then list your business in at least 5 to 10 new directories. Ask 3 customers for reviews today and respond to any new ones that you get. Here, let me quickly chip something in here. There is something called premium review service, all right? And not everybody can do that. Just specific agencies that know how to leave you natural looking reviews, all right? And that's one of the things that my agency specializes in. Now, why do you need premium reviews? These are measures, they call them reputation management measures or strategies, all right, that you can use in the interim until your customers actually start leaving you real reviews. If it's something you're interested in, I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description, so you can just click on the link and then let's see how we can start helping you with premium reviews today. Okay, so like I earlier said, ensure that you go to the description below and click the link, fill out the form, and let's see if your business basically is the best fit for us, because we do not take on every type of business. You're also going to be seeing before you fill the form what type of businesses we take on and why we do not take on every type of business. Okay, and that's how you rank higher in Google Maps listing and landing spots in a Google Map pack. All right. But remember, SEO is not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing process. If you want to rank a business on Google Maps and even reach the top 10, you need to keep optimizing, tracking, and refining your strategy, okay? Google's algorithm changes, competition increases, and customer behavior evolves. So staying on top of your efforts is key if you want to rank first on Google Maps and maintain long-term success. And that's it for today's video. And don't forget to check out Retail Learning Hub for detailed local SEO courses or guides that can help you get started the right way. The link will be in the description below. I remain Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo, a stay-at-home mom of 2 and an SEO consultant who co-owns a 6-figure digital marketing agency. I make content around faith, family, and marketing strategies for business growth. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification, all right, so that you get notified every time that I upload a new video. Like this video, don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. I make great content over at TikTok and Instagram. Also, I have a profitable blog that goes in depth into all of the things that I believe in. You might want to check that out as well. Thanks for watching, and remember, the businesses that win are not always the biggest. They're the ones that show up where it truly matters. Therefore, keep optimizing, keep growing, and success will follow. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.